SquarePants. Yes, of course he lives in a pineapple, you silly. Today's the big day, Gary. Look at me.
Rochester authorities issued a shelter-in-place warning for Rochester, New York. 5 days ago, VHS footage was discovered in the Dickinson home where it is suspected on that same night. The Dickinson family went missing after the youngest played an apparently corrupted Super Mario 64 copy. In the footage, an apparition of the character Wario is seen jumping out of the TV and is the main suspect for the case of the entire Dickinson family going missing, as upon further inspection in the Dickinson home, red goo was discovered painted on the walls depicting the phrase "Wario is here." If you or a family member has a Nintendo 64 at this point, destroy it immediately. It poses serious danger. Wario remains unfound, so a curfew of leaving your house at 7 a.m. at the earliest and returning at 5:30 p.m. at the latest has been established. Stay inside warning for Rochester County. The Rochester County authorities have issued a stay-inside warning after it was noted that the Wario apparition made 6 more people disappear, though